Last night we reached this place around 6 p.m. in evening. Today we are heading towards Himalaya. It was a magnificent morning. I always love to wake up early to enjoy the sunrise and see what magical view of Machapuchhare this morning has brought for me. I enjoyed the sunrise with a cup of tea and decided to start a bit late today as we were exhausted from last 3 days. After having healthy breakfast, we started our trek. Chomrong is a beautiful place with amazing scenic beauty. You can get very closer look of Machapuchhare and Annapurna ranges from here. You have to show your permits at this checkpoint. Starting of today's trek was easy as it was descending down, but we were aware that tough part is going to arrive soon. Around 8 in the morning we started from Chomrong and heading towards Himalaya. So we are coming from up there and it was all the way to the down that bridge and now the endless stairs. This hike has totally taken our breath. We decided to have something again as everything was digested. We reached this place called Sinuwa. Today it's tough because of sun. It's very warm. We took 20 minutes break and enjoyed food and tea with view of these magnificent mountains and continued again. We got beautiful forest trails again, so we speed up for the next target, bamboo, as our lunch point. Now, these tree shades are helping us to maintain our pace. Over the mountains and through the woods, we are getting closer to our destination. After few hours hike, we reached bamboo and took a proper halt for lunch. Yes, one more black tea and we continued. As the name of place is bamboo, we will be crossing vast bamboo forest. This is very new to me and I am very happy to experience this variety of forests. After few hours track, we reached Dovan. Most of the trackers stopped there, but we didn't because our target was waiting for us. We reached at Dovan and we are not staying here, planning to move Himalaya. As the sun was touching horizon, I was speeding up because I want to finish today's track before it's dark.
So it's around 5:16 and we made it to Himalaya. Finally having again a thali, and Tarun is having noodles.
Fried noodles.
Today's night is more adventurous. We are sleeping in a dining area. You can see this is my win.
Rooms were full, so we slept in dining area and the night was very cold. That is all for today. Stay tuned for next episode. Good night.
We have just crossed Devrali and heading towards MBC, then ABC. This is so beautiful. Finally we are at MBC and having our lunch.